Let's divide 160 by 2. Hey math adventurers, waving hand, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell for more awesome math videos from Let's Stud. Join our learning party, Party Popper. Alright, let's start our division adventure. We look at the first digit of 160, which is 1. We can't divide 1 by 2 yet. How many times does 2 fit into 1? It fits 0 times. So we write 0 above the 1, now 0 times 2 is 0. We subtract 0 from 1, and we have 1 left over. Great start, you're doing awesome. Now, let's bring down the next digit to make a bigger number. Step 2, we've got 16 to work with now, look at that number. We bring down the next digit 6 next to our remainder 1, now we have 16. How many times does 2 go into 16? Think of your 2 times tables, it's 8. Awesome, 8 times 2 equals 16, write 8 in our answer. Now let's subtract 16 from 16, easy peasy, it's 0. You're crushing it, almost there. We have one more digit to go, let's see what happens. Last step, we bring down the final digit, which is 0. We now have 0 to divide by 2. We just finished our last subtraction, so we bring down the 0. How many times does 2 fit into 0? It fits 0 times. We write 0 in our answer, 0 times 2 is 0. Subtracting 0 from 0 leaves us with 0, we're all done. Woohoo, you did it, fantastic work. And that's our final answer, we've divided 160 by 2. We did it, 160 divided by 2 is 80. Great job, everyone, we learned how to tackle long division step by step. Remember, even tricky problems become simple with practice. Keep exploring, keep learning. That's all for today, super math stars. Sparkles, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, waving rocket.